Archiving messages is a great way to keep your list of messages clear without actually deleting anything. Let me show you how it's done. First, we'll go to the Messages app and the main page where you'll see all your conversations. To archive a conversation, I can just long press it, and then from the option on the top of my screen, I'll tap the little folder icon that has an arrow pointing down. The conversation gets archived. It's removed from my list of conversations, but the messages are still stored on my phone in case I want to go back to them later. Also, if that person texts you again, the conversation automatically jumps back to your main inbox. To view your archived messages, you'll tap your profile in the top right corner and then choose Archived. Everything you've archived shows up here, and you can tap any conversation to view the messages in it. Another way to archive conversations is by using the swipe gestures, and those can be configured in your settings. I'll tap my profile again in the top right corner and then scroll down to Messages Settings. There, towards the bottom, you'll see an option for swipe actions, and this allows you to customize what happens when you swipe either to the left or to the right on your conversations. Mine are set to archive the messages, so I'll go ahead and change one of them to trash the conversation, while the other can do the archiving. Now when I swipe to the right, a thread gets deleted. Or move to the trash if we're being specific. And swiping left will archive a thread, which can be faster than using the long press method I showed earlier. And of course, any conversation that was archived can always be unarchived later. You'll just go to the archived folder, find the conversation, long press it, and then tap the folder icon, which now has an arrow pointing up instead of down. That will unarchive the message and put it back on the main page of your Messages app. And that's how you archive messages. Archiving only works for entire conversations, so if you're looking to do this with individual messages, you'll need to either star it if you want to save it, or delete the message. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you in the next video.